This is a nice little antique French champleve gilt bronze clock garniture. It's only 10 inches high and it has a silver dial with Arabic numerals. The clock case has champleve enamel on 3 sides, as well as the top, which has 5 finials, and stands on a gilt bronze base with blunt feet. The vases of the clock, which are en suite matching, have enamel matching the enamel on the clock, and the body of the vase is porcelain. This clock is by E.M Co, Paris, and it has a carriage clock, 2-train carriage clock movement, which strikes the hours and the half hours on the gong. It strikes 1 at the half hour, and it strikes 1 for each hour. It has a balance instead of a pendulum, which is adjustable with that lever there. That's marked slow and fast. This clock is for sale. You can get details on our website, which is ianburton.com, where you can also find a range of similar antique quality clocks, all in the same restored condition, all ready for shipping. We ship worldwide and we deliver throughout the UK.